As you all may know, the world is currently facing a crisis in the form of COVID-19 pandemic. The virus had taken the lives of over 333,000 people worldwide. Little is known about this virus because it has emerged at the end of last year. But now, based on the research of this virus, we now know how to prevent the virus from entering the body. Before we get into the explanation of the prevention, let's discuss what we know about the COVID-19 virus first.
COVID-19 is also known as a coronavirus. It was a famous pathogen nowadays in the world. The origin of this virus is unknown and there are some theories regarding this. Some say it was because a wholesale market in Wuhan, China. However, the World Health Organization confirmed that the first place with known case of this virus is in China during December 2019. Since then, the number of cases of COVID-19 has increased rapidly and the world's biggest scientists have tried to come up with a vaccine for this virus. But the vaccine is still in the development stage. Since there are no vaccines yet, we must focus on what we have first in order to protect ourselves from the coronavirus. Thanks to the knowledge we have in organic chemistry and technology, we had invented antiseptic gel, soap, and masks that proved to be useful in dealing with the coronavirus.
Nowadays, people know the importance of having hand sanitizers, gels, and soaps. However, most of the people don't know what is inside of this antiseptic gels, soaps, and hand sanitizers that could protect us from the coronavirus. Now we are going to reveal what chemicals are inside of these gels, soaps, and hand sanitizers and why they are so effective in preventing the infection of the viruses. So, the method of transmission of this virus is by respiratory droplets, which could spread almost virtually anywhere, and basically we cannot really predict where these droplets are located because it is too small to be detected by the naked human eye, and we could unwillingly and unknowingly really come in contact to these contaminated surfaces by touching them with our bare hands. This is why we need this antiseptic gels, soaps, and hand sanitizers because they have some things in common. They all contain alcohol, which is an organic compound. If we want to be exact, they contain mostly ethanol, which directly attacks the envelope protein that surrounds the viruses. And they will expose the inside of the viruses, meaning the genetic material of the virus. However, bear in mind that the hand sanitizer should be above 60% alcohol for it to be effective against the viruses, because the higher the concentration of the alcohol, the more effective the alcohol would be to attack the virus's protein membrane.
In addition, there is also one equipment that has been popular these days known as disinfectants. Disinfectants are a mixture of compounds that is used to prevent the growth of the microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses by spraying onto contaminated surfaces, for example, delivery packages and sometimes of the human body. Instead of these disinfectants, there are many chemicals which are very powerful at counteracting the virus, one of them being the coronavirus, such as hydrogen peroxide, benzalkonium chloride, quaternary ammonium, alkyl dimethylbenzyl, ammonium chloride, fluorosilanol, ethanol, iodine in iodophore, isopropanol, pine oil, povidone, sodium hypochlorite, sodium chloride, and sodium dichloroisocyanurate. The chemicals contain bleach with water, contain alcohol, which is flammable but safe for disinfection objects with a hard surface, contain detergent that is used for disinfection objects, and contain antiseptic solution which also needs to be used to skin infection.
Now, we are going to explain the chemical formula and the structural shape of the organic compound that were being discussed earlier. The chemical formula for ethanol is C2H5O, and it is widely known as the alcohol that is inside beer and wine. The function of ethanol inside is to assist in the process of breaking down the protein coating of the coronavirus, exposing its genetical material to the outside environment, and since it is sensitive to the outside environment, the structure of the genetic material will be broken.
For the chemicals inside the disinfectant, there are empirical formulas that have been formed. The empirical formula for the chemicals is H2O for the hydrogen peroxide, BZK, BKC, BAK, BAC for benzyl ammonium chloride, R for N plus X for quaternary ammonium compound, ADBAC for alkyl dimethylbenzyl, NH for Cl for ammonium chloride, C8H9OCl for chlorosilanol or usually indantol, C6H9E2NO for iodine in iodophore or known as povidone iodine that consists in betadine, C3H8O for isopropanol, NaClO for sodium hypochlorite, NaCaO2 for sodium chloride, and C3Cl2N3NaO3 for sodium dichloroisocyanate. Otherwise, pine oil is an essential oil that is produced from the wood of pine trees by extraction or steam distillation, and the empirical formula of the pine oil is C11H18O.
As college students, we study organic chemistry because we need it for our study majors. However, scientists right now are using this knowledge in order to help us fight the pandemic by creating disinfectants, hand sanitizers, soaps, and antiseptic gels. So we can do our part in respecting them by following the procedures that they have come up for us. And also to buy and use their products wisely and carefully because resources are very scarce, especially when the whole mass population need the same exact product.
Our hope for the future is that we can get our normal lives back to the way it used to be so that we can stop this inconvenient routine of having online sessions and go meet up with our work, colleges, friends, lecturers, and most importantly, listen to our favorite lecturer, Miss Fiona Santoso. Thank you for watching our video and we hope that our video can educate you. My name is Fiona and
I'm Adrian.
please stay safe and enjoy spending time with your loved one in quarantine.